case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 2010 case, the Court of Appeals of Indiana examined the issue of plugging and abandoning non-producing oil wells for safety reasons. The case centered around Cynthia Soames' property, which contained 3 oil wells operated by Young Oil Company. The Natural Resource Commission, NRC, had ordered the plugging of these wells due to non-compliance with regulations and potential fire and explosion hazards. Soames challenged the NRC's decision, arguing that the evidence did not support it. Nonetheless, the court determined that it was Young Oil's responsibility to plug and abandon the wells, and Soames, as the property owner, was also obligated under Indiana Code Section 1437.8.1 to ensure that this was done. The court sided with the NRC, asserting that if a well was not producing oil, it was not being operated for its intended purpose. Since Soames failed to comply with the necessary measures, she was not permitted to argue for temporary abandonment. Ultimately, the court upheld the NRC's decision to order the plugging and abandonment of the 3 wells on Soames' property on the grounds of Indiana Code Section 1437.8.1. The court found that Soames, as the property owner, had a statutory duty to ensure proper plugging and abandonment, regardless of ownership transfers. The NRC was deemed as not having abused its discretion in ordering the plugging and abandonment, since the wells were not operated for their intended purposes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.